In the Middle Ages, the word humanities included those subjects that had to do with philosophy and history and literature, the arts, mathematics, and even, strangely enough, science. In the modern world, of course, the humanities and the sciences have been separated. Today, the humanities doesn't include science, but includes all those subjects which involve some form of human creativity, religion and philosophy and literature and the arts, history, the social sciences. The hard sciences include those subjects which rely on strictly objective or scientific standards. But those objective scientific standards are not usually dominant in the humanities. The scientist describes what is, whereas the humanist makes a value judgment as to what ought to be. For example, science tells us that they have the technology to clone animals and even humans. But science can't tell us whether we morally ought to clone animals or not, because that's a value judgment, and science deals with facts, not values. Science can identify genes in the embryo that can later cause breast cancer or Alzheimer's disease, for example. But science can't tell us whether we morally ought to interfere with nature in the womb, because that's a value judgment, and science deals with facts, not values. Science can give us information to help in making the decision to clone or abort the defective fetus, but science can't make those decisions for us because those decisions are based on value judgments. Humans make value judgments, not scientists. And this is why the humanities are so important. STEM subjects are all the rage in school these days, but they don't tell us how to make value judgments. Values refer to our likes and dislikes. We place a positive value on some things and a negative value on other things. And everything we do is shaped and motivated by our values. There is no better way to get in touch with ourselves, with our feelings, with our values, than to study the humanities. And particularly the arts. More than any other subject, the arts clarify and reveal values. When we deepen our understanding of art, we deepen our understanding of values. Art reveals the essence of our existence.